Hi friends, welcome to AR Smart Kitchen. Come and learn how to prepare tasty and healthy recipes in a safe and easy manner.
Pudding preparation. Ingredients for pudding: you have to use 3 eggs, 1 cup of jaggery, and a quarter liter of milk, crushed pepper powder, and 3-4 cloves of ilachi. You have to crush like this. These are the ingredients for milk egg pudding. Take mixie bowl. Take 3 eggs into the mixie jar and mix it well. Nicely grinded. The egg should nicely grinded. We have to add this egg mixture to the milk. Take one bowl and put the milk and add this egg in there. Both should be mix it well. Then we can add 1 cup of jaggery in there. Mix it well. Jaggery milk with egg. Have to prepare like this type of batter. Then add pepper powder. Then can add ilachi powder. Mix it well. Take cooker and put water in there. Then have to keep this pudding thing likewise. (15 to 20 minutes) we have to keep this into cooker. You have to keep like this. Put it into the cooker. You have to remove this vessel. Keep 15 to 20 minutes. We have to cook thoroughly. So after 10 to 15 minutes, the pudding gets ready. Wow, superb. Have to take out. So it is very spongy and tasty pudding ready. So yummy and tasty pudding ready. It's very sponge and very tasty. Wow, super pudding. It's very spongy and very tasty. So sweet and yummy. Wow. Tasty pudding ready.
Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. I'll meet you soon with new recipes.